Wow. He is
Oh
huge.
my God, this is huge. Well done, Adam.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, push. Push it down. Yes. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Push. Okay. Push down. Enough. Push. Oh, it's a big fish. Sorry. Push. Oh, nice fish. Number 13.
Number 30.
Push. Oh, he slapped you. Adam. From Netherlands now. God, slowly. Keep the power. Yeah. Big one. Oh, everyone. Yes. How long you never exercise already? Fishing plus lifting weight. 2 in 1. There you say you want big fish. Yes, that's why you come here for. Yeah. Help him. I got tickle. Okay, good. Whoa, look at the size. Fat. Wow. He just eat the breakfast, you know. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, nice. Put down. Okay, set it down. Push. Okay. Push it down. Okay.
2 minutes.
Oh man. ใช่เหรอใช่ไหมใช่ก็ใหญ่แล้วเนี่ยเพราะว่าหนาเอ๊ะทำไมไม่ไปเพราะว่าอยู่ข้างหน้าจะรู้เลยนี่เอ๊ะแต่มันไม่วิ่งอ่ะอุ้ยพิกครับย่าอุ้ยช้อนจ้า be careful because on the tail it's very big the one you show me in the photo yeah there's only one in the pond
Oh, really? No.
Yeah. Oh, big one that's why it's so heavy you see
Is it in its mouth or not?
Yeah, it's big cup ooh pump slowly pump don't let it go pump pump kick kick oh don't let it go pump go in front pump be careful pump wow oh go and see for yourself oh look at the size wow oh man hey come on oh man hey this is second fish big Mekong look at the size oh look at the size oh you see the one in the photo oh my god you very lucky oh wow look at the size of it only 40 50 Yes, see, when it comes to the right, you are seeing. That's all. To the right, to the right. Hey, okay, come on. To the right. Okay, up towards him. Okay, down.
Yeah.
Oh, heavy.
Also nice.
Also nice one. Okay. Di. Okay, kneel down. I push you down. Kneel, push. Okay, nice. Okay, good. Yes. Ini, bam. มาแล้ว โอ้นี่ครับโอ้อ๊อบyes ปั๊ม jigging yes again โอ้โหพี่เนี่ยขับเลยพี่โอ้พี่โอ้นี่แหละโอเคโอ้ดู down โอเค
Needle.
number 4
Beautiful fish.
นั่นแหละครับ push number 4 okay good all the UK they like carp let's see carp also not so tired but you just have to be fast when you come inside you have to be fast มาแล้วคุณครับ number 6 ครับnumber 6 ครับ fish โอ้พี่ yes big one oh shit this is big this is so small แก่แล้วกันdon't let it go down กันสวยup oh it's big it's not small it's big down up don't let it go down yes don't let it go oh look at it it's strong huh we say cup no strong big up oh it's bigger ปลาเก๋าด้วยdown อะไรวะเมื่อกี้ down hold it up กูจับต้องเลยโอ้ปลาเก๋า down โอ้โห much bigger โอ้โห my god wait oh my god อะไรวะปลาเก๋าที่สุดโอ้ยดูหางแล้วที่ผมผู้กองก็เคยได้นะเนี่ยหางครับ oh my god oh look at that this is my tail this is a very old fish oh my god look It's a cup. Why come back so fast? Oh, oh, catfish. Oh, bubble. No. Okay, good. Okay, I got 最后。好。Oh, nice. Okay. See, the fish no lunch time. See, you go for lunch. Yeah, they haven't get fish.
That's okay.
No.
Now look.
I don't know. Better.
The float, they can take in now.
Oh, it's every side there. This is number 9 fish, huh? Oh, big. Down. Okay. I look. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Big. Ah, big fish, huh? Look.
Big boss.
Yeah, I thought small, huh? Big. Ah, number 9. Nice one. Beautiful. Push.
Fish.
Okay.
That was it.
Come. Up. Okay. Reel. One more. Okay. Help him. Ah. Okay, go, push. Oh, you see? It's not about the distance. It's about the beginning lah. Fishing. Ah, see? It catch so many fun. ไกลๆไม่กินมั่วเลยกินนี่โกหกหรือเปล่า Lucky you lucky since morning really see Go. Come. Wow, cup. Baby cup. Do it. Down. Oh. You go for quantity, not quality. Amateur fish. Oh, come on. Oh, this is your 6 cup. 5 or 6 cup. Hey. Oh, you get his line. Get everybody line. See? Hey. Yes. Oh, bigger. You're catching all the food. เอาไปหมดเลย up Down. Open. All gone. Okay, number 5, 6, 12. Number 6 cup. Okay, good. How he? Whoa. Whoa, look at the belly. Oh my God, look at so fat. Woo. Okay, number 14, last piece. Come on. Don't lose it. Be careful. I think it's a cup. This is your 7th cup. I don't know how many cup already. Cup. Ooh. I think. Stop. Yeah.
You're swimming towards me.
Yeah, okay, fast. Ooh, so far, you see, coming here already. Big cup. Ooh. Yes. Oh, nice cup. Oh, look at the mouth. Number 14, last piece. Oh. Yes. Ah, nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll have his plastic photograph. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Woo. Okay. Go. Push. Oh, nice.
14 fish, one
Yeah.
day.
Yes, nice.